Hey, what's up? I'm back. Over the past few days, I've been painting door jambs, inner fenders, parts on the bumper, lights, installing new lights, wiring new lights. So I've been doing as much as I could. It's been very humid, so it's been very hard to get the paint to stick good. And I painted the door jambs once, and part of it was not having a full sheen effect, like a gloss. So it was actually like matte. It was like a matte type of deal. Yeah, so I've got it the best I care or need, so I'm just gonna leave it at that and start putting the car back together. I've got lots to do today. I would have liked to film outside on the new reveal or whatever the hell you want to call it, but it looks like it's gonna rain, which sucks. And what sucks even more is my homie needs his tires changed, and he freaking brought his car here last night because he couldn't drive the damn thing to work. Maybe he'll learn to get an alignment. I'll throw his Instagram up and you can go check him out, I guess. He's not that cool, but he's alright. You know, his name's Tom. He's not that cool though, so don't worry about him. He's actually the guy that is coming to Hoonigan with me, so that's pretty sick of him. He's actually a good guy. He's a good friend of mine. So yeah, he's got his header. It's dumped. He's got all this extra shit on it because he's about that hot boy life. So I don't even know. Yeah, he left me the key, but I'm not gonna drive it on him because I'm not that guy. Or am I that guy? And another thing, so today I'm gonna slap her together and get some footage for you guys because I know you guys really want to see it. I'm looking at it right now. It does look good. I'm happy with it, but there's small things I want to adjust, like some things with my headlights. I need little trim pieces in there, like it's not like gonna be 100%, but the wrap is mint. Pretty happy with that. So yeah, I'll get her together and show you guys what's good. And here is my mx3. Just kidding, I don't drive clapped out Zetters. JK. I've got to move it though. No sound show. Honestly, Tom, you have no idea how bad I want to slippy boy this right now. I want to be drifting this, but I'm gonna be a good boy. Anyways, I'm gonna pull it out, my car, the purple one, and show you what's going on. Make some good shots. The camber though,